This, my friend, is Arrowmax's soldering iron. Arrowmax came in.
Ah. What is that thing? It's
Exactly.
So compact.
So compact. What is it? What is it indeed? Let's open it up and have a look. You can go to Overhead Town if you want. This, my friend, is Arrowmax's soldering iron. Beautiful single piece machine here. We have got the soldering iron itself. And the reason they made it so compact is for traveling.
Well, you're going to the track, aren't you?
If you're, well, yeah, but you could be going overseas, interstate, on a plane.
Yes.
You know what I mean? This is a pit soldering iron. And I'm really excited. I'm going to get myself one for Christmas, actually. So that is the handle. Look, it's like a pen.
Yep.
And it's beautiful weave carbon fiber, matte carbon fiber, which is very on point style-wise. Here is the blade itself, the tip itself.
Yep.
So it's got a nice chisel tip on it here,
nice
probably 4 mil, which is nice and chunky. Really, really good for doing anything that we do in 1/10 RC, 1/8 even, on your motors, batteries, connectors, speed controllers. Yeah, it's obviously a coaxial tip with the heating element all the way down it to get it nice and hot, and that slides into the tip like that. Then you've got a beautiful cap, and you stick it in the base.
Oh, that's it.
That's it. Now you can clamp that up. You can either keep it adjustable.
Yep.
You know what I mean? Or if you want to keep it more solid, we'll just do up this 2.5 mil screw here.
Yep.
So it's still adjustable, but it's not going to fall out.
Yep.
Then when you want to use your soldering iron,
just unscrew it.
Unscrew it.
So you can leave it loose, right? It just sits in there.
You can leave it loose. That's right. But it's handy to have it screwed up because it can't like burn you.
Yes.
You know, the tip can't fall out. Sometimes they fall out. Even with the scope, you know, that's not hot. You can still knock it out of the thing. And comes with a packet of silver solder, which is a nice touch.
It is.
Now, how do you power it? Because there's no leads.
With electricity?
Electricity, indeed. Have a look at this. It's got 4 mil banana plugs, so it will go straight to your power supply or charge unit at 12 volts.
Yes.
Or you can have a 3S battery for it.
Okay.
But most of us, I mean, if it's on road, we'll all have tire warmers,
Yes.
so we'll all have a power supply or a chargeable capable of it.
Yes.
You'll find that it won't draw heaps of current. It'll be like the same as tire warmers, so somewhere between 6 and 9 amps. Put it in your power supply, run it off a 3S 11 volt battery, and it plugs into the back there. It's got a really, really quick heat up time. It's got a long lead, and that is
Really
super
neat,
neat.
isn't it?
Really neat. Looks cool on your pit bench and packs away really, really nice. Put that in your Rubik's World bag as well.
That's right.
Okay.
It all fits.
So I'm really
Very handy.
excited. These have been out of stock for a little bit now, so I'm really, really glad. When you're finished leaving the track again, you just pack it all up.
How good is it?
Nice little case. Arrowmax, absolutely. Just do stuff and do it really well, no?
It's very refined, isn't it?
It's very refined.
Yeah.
And from people that I've had a lot of feedback from the racing team who have these, and they are awesome. You wouldn't think like it's quite compact in size, but it's got heaps of power and hold heaps of heat.
Well, that's what you want. You want that high power to be able to penetrate through the wires quickly, like a thick wire, without traveling all the way along.
And especially if you're, you know, I mean, we're usually racing outside. It can be cold and windy and stuff. You need a really good heating element.
Yes.
So it's got it. So that is one thing I'd like to show you.
Nice.
The next thing that's come back in.
Oh, what's that?
Is the toolkit. Now, I've forgotten the part number off the top of my head. You can open that and have a look.
All right, so we got
This is the
pliers here.
This is the 199444.
And then we got some turnbuckle wrenches. And then close over here.
This is the 199444. This is the 10-piece toolkit.
Yep.
This is designed for, well, in the description it says electric on-road. But I don't know why you couldn't use it for anything or as a starting kit.
Yeah. So we've got a reamer.
We've got the black and gold reamer. We've got a 3 mil arm reamer, which is really, really cool when you're doing your builds.
Yes.
7 mil usually wheel socket.
Yes.
You know, 5.5 mil, usually the smaller, the shock nuts, that sort of stuff.
Yep, for 3
mil.
Nuts. Yep.
2 mil, which you'll use on 90% of your 1/10 car.
Yes.
1.5 for your pinions.
Yep.
and grub screws.
How good is it?
Turnbuckle tools, and you got your pliers over there, your soft grip pliers to doing your shocks, ball cups. These are really, really universal. So really, really glad to have this back in. And it gives you plenty of scope too. Like I said, it's got everything you need. There's nothing in there that you don't need and use. No. So it's easy to get this and then add on to it.
Yeah, you can customize it with
So then you can, other tools that you can buy this one, which is really, really great value. And then you can add in, like if you want a 2.5 mil ball driver or something, you can add that in. It's better than getting, like from my point of view, getting a really big one and then not using half of it.
For sure.
Start off with the 10-piece one and then add into it just the way you want it.
So it's got all these extra loops here.
Elasticated loops.
Just pop all the extra tools within there.
And on the other side too.
Yeah, that's right. There's some extras.
You can really fill it up. And it's in the black and gold tool case, which is really nice. You know, lots of people have these. Keep the tools safe. Again, throw that in with your Rubik's World bag too.
Yes.
No?
Yeah.
You were set to go.
How good is it?
So that is a bit of Arrowmax.